So here we need to express the decimal number 473 in base 10, that's a decimal number by the way, in base 2. So firstly, base 10, what does it mean? This is actually the standard 0 to 9 format that we use in everyday life. And the key idea is to convert this into the binary 0-1 format. Now I use a really cool trick. I firstly just take the digit, the 473, and simply just subtract it, divide it continuously by 2. That's it. So all we need to do is just draw a line here and just keep on dividing really. So this is going to be the quotient and the remainder. And the key objective is to obtain the remainders because they're going to be in zeros and ones. So let's have a go. So firstly, input the number 473 and divide it by 2. And always convert to decimal or mixed fractions, and you should get 200 and, well, let's do this step here. Let's start with the number. We should get 473, and we should get a quotient of 236 with 1 remainder. In your calculator, it probably looks something like this, or this. The key idea is to use the first one. This indicates that we're going to have a quotient of 236 with a single remainder. And now we just rinse and repeat. So now we put 236 here, divide this by 2, and we should get 118. And notice how it's just a whole number, so there's no remainders. Put this back here again, divide this by 2, should get 59. And just keep going. And again, no remainders here. Divide 59 by 2, and now we're going to get 29. So 59, we're going to get 29, and a single remainder. And just keep going really. So I haven't got spaces, so I'm going to go down again. So let's start from here. So now we start from 29, divide this by 2. You should get 14 with a single remainder. Put 14 here, divided by 2, you get 7, no remainder. Divide 7 by 2, you get 3, 1 remainder. Divide 3 by 2, you get 1 remainder. And finally, let's do it one more table here. Dividing 1 by 2, you should get nothing and 1 remainder. And that's it. Now all we do is just chain these binary numbers together. So it seems like quite long, but that's really it. So we start from the last number. So we start from here. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and finally 1, 0, 0, 1. So we go from back to front. This means that the solution is going to be from back to front in terms of remainders only. First it's going to be 1. And then it's going to be 1, 1, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1. And then from here, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1. And that's it. All to base 2.